What is SensusAccess? It's an automated conversion tool to augment your alternative media needs. It means that if you have readings in one format, but want to convert them to audio files so you can listen to them, change them to doc or tagged PDFs so it's easy to use them in Kurzweil, or convert them to ebook for Kindle or Android so it's easier to read on the go, SensusAccess is made for you. It's super easy to use. All you need is your campus email address. Your institution's conversion page will look pretty similar. You can convert plain text from your computer, web content from a URL, and lots of different file types, even PowerPoint presentations. My instructor assigned a reading in PDF format, so I'll use that for this video. I click Choose File on the web page. I find the file on my computer, click Open, and now I click Upload. It takes a few seconds to upload, especially if I have a big file. Now I get my choice of what to convert my file to. SensusAccess has so many options. I can do MP3, DAISY, Braille, ebook, or accessibility conversion. I want a doc file so I can use it later in Kurzweil, so I choose accessibility conversion and then doc. But you can choose text, PDF, Word, Excel, and so many more. Once you've chosen all your options, enter your campus email and click Submit. SensusAccess will email you the converted file within about 10 minutes. And look how great it comes out. SensusAccess is great at converting files. Even so, the less underlinings and splashes your file has, the better SensusAccess can convert it. That's why I try to find the cleanest file I can before I convert. And when converting from PDF to doc, I first convert to tagged PDF and then to doc. It gives me the best results. SensusAccess is a great service provided by your institution to augment your needs for alternative media. Find your SensusAccess page today.